Hi everyone, I'm back from my road trip. I went to pick up my new fall cardigan and pant, and as you can see I have two great big boxes here, and I haven't even unpacked them yet because I wanted to share the unboxing with you. So here we go. Here we have a silky blue Vesna cardigan. Just take it out of the wrapper and ta-da! This one is a medium in the silky blue, which I love. So just hang this up over here. There we go. Just a little bit wrinkled because they've been packaged up in the box, but I'll have to steam them all. And this one is the fiery fuchsia, which is one of my favorite colors. And there we go. This one is a small. So I'll hang this one up. And now the black. I don't have any black in this box, so I'll have to open the other box. And let's see. We have a black cardigan. This one is a large, and there you go, in black. I'll hang this one up too. And as you can see, or hopefully you can see, it's got the nice rib detail around the neck, down the front, and around the bottom. It's got nice deep pockets and ribbing also on the sleeve. And last but not least, I have the new Lynn pant in black. It's got the nice wide waistband. It's got the nice rib trim down the side of the leg. And they're super comfy to wear. So I'll hang those up. Oops. There we go. So I'm just gonna try on the pink cardigan. This sweater off. And just model it here for you quickly. So there we go. What do you think? Nice pockets, it's very cozy, and really whenever I put this on I just don't want to take it off. So that's it, that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, bye for now.